Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about two viral health drinks you've probably seen everywhere, Okra Water and Chia Tea. They're super easy to make, packed with benefits, and honestly they might become your new daily go-tos. Let's start with Okra Water. I know, sounds a little weird, right? But this drink has been around for ages and it's making a serious comeback. Okra is loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and a natural gel called mucilage that's amazing for gut health. It can help with digestion, blood sugar regulation, and even keeping you full longer. Here's how to make it. Slice up 2 to 3 fresh okra pods, toss them into a glass of water, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, take out the okra and drink the water on an empty stomach. That's it! It's mild in taste, a little thick in texture, but super refreshing, and great for your body. Next up, Chia Tea. If you like bubble tea, but want something healthier, this one's for you. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with omega-3s, fiber, protein, and they absorb water like magic, helping you stay hydrated and feel full longer. To make it, just add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of freshly brewed green tea. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the seeds can swell up. Then stir, add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey if you like, and enjoy. It's light, energizing, and super satisfying, perfect for a mid-morning or afternoon pick-me-up. And there you have it, 2 easy, healthy drinks that are trending for a reason. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying first, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more feel-good tips.